10 cool facts about Russia. Russia has the world's longest railway. The Trans-Siberian spans nearly the whole country. Russia lies in both Europe and Asia. 1/4 of its territory is in Europe and 3/4 in Asia. Russia has more time zones than any other country in the world. It used to have 11, but now it only has 9. Russian leaders have some interesting creative pursuits. Gorbachev recorded an album, while Vladimir Putin has a judo DVD. In 1908, the Russian Olympic team arrived in London 12 days late, because it was using the Julian calendar. Russia shares a border with 14 countries, the most of any country in the world. Russia is almost as big as Pluto, 17 million square kilometers compared to 17.6 million. Sputnik, the world's first satellite, was launched by the Soviet Union in 1957. The Russian State Library in Moscow is the largest library in Europe and the second largest in the world. Lake Baikal is the oldest and deepest lake in the world. It's also the largest body of fresh water. That's 10 cool facts about Russia. Don't forget to subscribe.